So hello everyone, my name is Ms. Janu Karga. I am the lead nurse in Breathe Super Specialty Clinic. So today with my partner Ms. Hasna Ara Begum. So today we're gonna show you the proper ways of using the inhaler step by step.
Firstly, we should wash our mouth before using the inhaler. Now take a deep breath and exhale out. Shake the inhaler for 2 to 5 seconds. Remove the cap of the inhaler. Remember that if the inhaler hasn't been used for more than 48 hours, you must prime the inhaler. Now we should either sit straight or stand straight. Now place the inhaler in your mouth and seal it with your lips around the mouthpiece. Press down the inhaler while breathing in deeply. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. And now exhale through nose slowly. Now take another pump and continue the same process of breathing. Now after the use of inhaler, rinse your mouth with water and spit out all the water. Recap the inhaler and store the inhaler properly. So first of all, we should wash our mouth before using the inhaler. Now take a proper deep breath and exhale out. Take the inhaler and shake it properly. Remove the cap of the inhaler and take the spacer and connect it with the inhaler. Now place the mouthpiece of the spacer in your mouth and seal it with your lips. Now press the inhaler and take a deep breath through your mouth and breathe out through your nose. And this process should be continued for 4 to 5 times. Now again take the second pump and continue the same process of breathing. Now remove the inhaler from the mouth and rinse your mouth with water and spit out all the water. Now disconnect the spacer and the inhaler and recap the inhaler. And open the parts of this spacer and wash this spacer with mild soap water. And make sure that every part of the spacer is properly wiped with mild soap water. Now wipe it with a dry cloth and make sure that there shouldn't be any water particles in this spacer. And keep the spacer carefully under a clean container. Also keep the inhaler in a safe and clean place.
Thank you everyone for watching. Do follow Breathe Clinic and get more information.